সকল প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতাপূর্ণ প্রতিযোগিতায় যারা বিজয়ী হয়েছেন তাদের ই-সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে পুরস্কৃত করা ও সকল ওয়ার্কশপ এবং ওয়েবিনারের কিনোট স্পিকারদের ই-সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে সম্মানিত করার পালা। আমি সম্মানিত রোকেয়া খাতুন ম্যামকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি কার্যক্রমটি পরিচালনা করার জন্য।
হোস্ট আমাকে যদি একটু পারমিশন দিতেন।
জি ম্যাডাম। ম্যাডাম পারমিশন অলরেডি দেওয়া আছে, সম্ভবত আপনি ট্রাই করে দেখতে পারেন।
Thank you, Bithi Roy, for inviting me. Very good afternoon to all. I am Rokeya Khatun, lecturer, Department of CSC, Green University of Bangladesh. I would like to welcome our Honorable Treasurer of Green University of Bangladesh, Professor Dr. Mohammad Fazlur Rahman Sir, the convener of CSC Carnival 2020, and Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of Green University of Bangladesh, Professor Dr. Mohammad Abdul Razak Sir, all the keynote speakers, workshop facilitators, event judges of different segments, and my dear students. Because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation, our Carnival committee decided to arrange the prize giving ceremony in online platform and provide the e-certificates to the winners and the speakers. I would like to thank all the participants for their competitive spirit and engagement in CSC Carnival 2020. Congratulations to the winners. In PUBG mobile gaming competitions, among 12 teams with 48 participants, first prize goes to Alien team, and team members are Abdullah Al Fahim, Yasin Mia, Mahmudul Hassan Opu, and Tanha Tarannun. Congratulations to the team. And second prize goes to the team Green Goblins. The team members of Green Goblins are Siamal Foez, Hasibul Hassan Rudro, Shajid Ahmed, and Mushfiqur Rahman. Congratulations to the team Green Goblins. And third prize goes to team Ninja Fighters, and team members are MD Ridoy, Noyan Siddiq, Shafiqul Islam, and Shakil Islam. A very big congratulations to the team Ninja Fighters. And now in Ludo gaming competitions, among 35 participants, first prize goes to Arif Hassan Rifat. Congratulations to Rifat. Second prize goes to Rejwanul Islam. A very big congratulations to Rejwan. Third prize goes to Misbahul Islam. Congratulations to Misbahul Islam. And now, in technology-based innovative idea challenge, among 8 participants, first prize goes to Tanvir Ahmed. A very big congratulations to Tanvir Ahmed. Second prize goes to Sarwar Jahan Shajib. Congratulations to Shajib. And third prize goes to Umme Aisha Anika. Congratulations, Anika. And now, in inter-department programming contest, among 70 participants, 66 from city campus and 4 from permanent campus. First prize goes to Shohid Hassan, Congratulations, Shohit. Now, second prize goes to Devdulal Boiddo. Congratulations, Devdulal. And third prize goes to Mehdi Hassan. Congratulations, Mehdi. In ICT quiz competition, among 190 students, first position goes to Umme Aisha Anika. A very, very big congratulations to Umme Aisha Anika. Second prize goes to Rejwanul Islam. Congratulations, Rejwan. Third prize goes to Tanvir Ahmed. A very big congratulations to Tanvir Ahmed. Now, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the speakers for spending your valuable time with us, encouraging us, and inspiring us. These certificates proudly presented to Dr. Muhammad Tariq Arafat, Associate Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, BUET, for speaking at the webinar on Scope of Research on Biomedical Engineering. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time. Now, this certificate proudly presented to Mohammad Shakhawat Hussain Rifat, Software Engineer, PayPal, Singapore, for speaking at the webinar on Introduction to Version Control System using GIT. Thank you, sir, for staying with us. Now, this certificate proudly presented to Mr. Istiaq Ahmed, Chief Operating Officer, Battery Law Interactive, for speaking at the webinar on career prospects in game development in Bangladesh and abroad. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time with us. And now, this certificate proudly presented to Dr. Muhammad Misbahul Alam Palash, Associate Professor, University of Sydney, for speaking at the webinar on emerging career prospects of CSE graduates. Now, this certificate proudly presented to Dr. Muhammad Saiful Azad, Assistant Professor, University of Malaysia, Pahang. Thank you, sir, for joining with us and speaking on the webinar, Emerging Career Prospects of CSE Graduates. And now, these certificates proudly presented to Jahidul Hassan Mitul, Managing Director, Business Automation Limited, for speaking at the webinar on Emerging Career Prospects of CSE Graduate. Thank you all. Now, I would like to hand over the rest of the program to Bithi Roy.
ধন্যবাদ ম্যামকে এত সুষ্ঠু ও সুন্দর পরিচালনার জন্য। এই পর্যায়ে আমি অনুরোধ করছি অনুষ্ঠানের প্রধান অতিথি সম্মানিত অধ্যাপক ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ ফাইজুর রহমান স্যারকে সিটি কার্নিভাল 2020-এ স্যারের শুভেচ্ছা বক্তব্য প্রদানের জন্য।
In front of us on the dais, we have with us the chairperson of the ceremony, Dr. Abdul Razzaq, also the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Green University of Bangladesh. And along with him, the colleagues of CSE department, as well as students, especially those students who will be receiving prize today. I came to know that a lot of programs were held during the CSE Carnival long 3 days program, starting from PUBG Mobile, Innovative Idea Challenge, and Programming Development Contest, ICT Quiz Competition, and also there was a talk, very good talk, Emerging Career Prospect of CSE Graduates. So especially two speakers from two countries. They spoke on the occasion. It is very good for the CSE graduate. Definitely it will enhance their aspiration, especially the CSE graduates. So in this way, by the end of this ceremony, actually the students will get motivated. I congratulate all participants, those who have won the prize, who could not. I think by the end of participation of the other students who could not get prize, the ceremony has become successful. The first position occupied by Tania Tarannum, I congratulate her on PUBG Mobile. And especially innovative idea challenge, Tanbir Ahmed, very good student, I think. He has given a good idea. And programming contest, Shohid Hassan, I think CSE, one of the criteria of the CSE graduate should be a good programmer. In industrial sector, they have to do a lot of programming. So this is very good job. I think he will be able to develop himself by developing program, and also ICT quiz competition, Aisha, Anika. These students, I think they are the celebrity of the department. I also thank the person who have talked on career prospect of the CSE graduate from 2 different countries. In this way, by the end of arrangement of such type of activities in the department, I think it will enhance the aspiration and enthusiasm of the students to become great, to become more competitive among them. Not only studying, they have to survive in this country where a lot of people will participate, especially when you are going to obtain a job. If you want to enter into a job market, what will happen? A lot of people will come forward, they'll compete with you. So system of competition has begun. So you have to accommodate yourself. You have to survive by fighting, by prudence, by your merit. This is the idea. So I thank the management who have done this, especially the chair of the ceremony, Dr. Abdul Razak, and his team member. I also thank especially to anchor, the anchor person, Bithi Rai and Rokeya Khatun, I think, for their wonderful presentation and anchoring of the session. Very good, they can speak very well. I really thank from my heart. So I also expect the CSE department will continue arranging such type of activities in the days to come. I understand a lot of programs are being organized by the department in every month, so in every semester. So this is one of the process of arrangement, especially when the whole world is affected by COVID-19, and whole university, especially our Green University, we're totally running our administration through online education. After starting of online education, our departmental activities have increased a lot, I think. So this is a very good symbol of development, symbol of encouragement. I thank all colleagues of the department, all employees of the department, all students of the department for arranging such type of activities. Without the help of the club, I think CSE club students, this program was not possible to arrange in such a way. I thank all of them, all the club members of the CSE department. Thank you for inviting me in this position. Okay, continue. Have good health. Take care of your health. Since COVID is going on, I think you should be careful when you are going to society, you are mixing with other people, when you are talking with other people, definitely you should be very careful. Always don't forget to wear mask when you are going outside of the house. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
ধন্যবাদ স্যারকে তার মূল্যবান বক্তব্যের জন্য। এই পর্যায়ে আমি অনুরোধ করছি সিএসি কার্নিভাল 2020-এর আহ্বায়ক সম্মানিত প্রফেসর ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ আব্দুর রাজ্জাক স্যারকে সমাপনী বক্তব্য প্রদানের জন্য।
Thank you, Bithi Rai. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to see that the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, associated with Green University Computer Club, has successfully conducted all the planned events of this flagship event of the department, CSE Carnival 2020. I congratulate all the participants, faculty members, GUCC executive members, moderators, and all the invited guests. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering is deeply owed to the presence of Honorable Treasurer of the University, our very respected Professor Dr. Mohammad Fazlur Rahman sir, his very valuable speech, direction, and encouragement. The students, the club executive committee members, the faculty members have proved that nothing can stop their activities. No hindrances can stand in ahead of them. In this dire situation, all the events, including computer programming contest, ICT quiz contest, computer gaming, innovative idea challenge program, and many other technical talks and the panel discussion sessions have been organized under the leadership of Ahmed Iqbal Pritom, the very respected moderator of Green University Computer Club. And this event has also discovered some key players. I second our treasurer sir. The anchors were really high performing. I would like to inform Mrs. Rokia Khatun that get ready to anchor some of the events of STI 2020 in the third week of December. I really appreciate your deliveries and your capacity of presentation. So last of all, I know that the SASEP program is only possible because of dedicated effort given by a very good number of faculty members and the students. And these events could not make a successful conclusion if the participants, the contestants were not interested. I see a huge list of participants in almost every programs. Gaming contest was participated by around 50 students. The another one I see the PUBG that was participated by 130 students. Again, I see the interdepartment programming contest participated by 206 students. So a very good number of students participated in the ICT quiz competition as well. So the participants, I congratulate you all. Only a few number of students have won the prizes, but your participation was really encouraging, and it was highly eventful. So I believe Department of Computer Science and Engineering will continue arrangement of quality events, co-curricular events, in addition to offering good quality education, outcome-based education to its students. Department always believes in directing students toward the development of very good career, as well as keeping their mental health and physical health refreshed through organizing different quality events. Well, we do have plan to organize the outdoor games, hopefully just after the winter in the next year. Let's pray for the normal situation to get back. And the Department of Computer Science and Engineering is planning to organize a competitive project showcasing event in the early next year as well, so that our students' innovative project development capacity will be enhanced. And definitely our efforts will be continued with the help of the technical participation of the technical experts from different corners of the world. And last of all, I would like to thank the Green University Computer Club executives, the students of different semesters, the faculty members, and all the keynote speakers, the invited guests, and the today's chief guest, and the anchors who played a very important role to make it happen. So thank you very much again. And I believe you have set a very good example to be followed by many others within the Green University of Bangladesh and outside Green University of Bangladesh. Thank you for inviting me here as well. Thank you very much.
ধন্যবাদ স্যারকে তার মূল্যবান বক্তব্যের জন্য। স্যার, আমরা কাইন্ডলি 15 মিনিট সময় চেয়ে নিচ্ছি, কারণ আমাদের মানে সমাপনী অনুষ্ঠানের সাংস্কৃতিক পাঠটুকু 4:30 থেকে শুরু হওয়ার কথা ছিল। সবাই এখনো জয়েন দেয়নি স্যার, আপনার অনুমতি পেলে